Road tripping and forgot to pack your snacks? Don't worry, just keep an eye out for this place, Sheetz. This place is a lifesaver for gluten-free and dairy-free travelers. From no-bake cookie treats to David's cookies, even Rip Van Winkle waffles, perfect for a sweet pick-me-up. And if you're craving fresh, they've got you salads, Noka smoothie pouches, and oh snap pickles. Plus, you can always get hard-boiled eggs, fresh fruit, and fresh veggies. They have plenty of safe options so you can fuel up and get back on the road.